Today we are going to make rice with chicken. Simple and delicious. Let's get started. We will need saffron, 500 grams of chicken thighs, red and green capsicum, 2 garlic cloves, 200 grams of tomato puree, 360 grams of short rice. I'm using the Italian arborio for risottos, 1 serve of chicken stock, a couple of dry bay leaves, and green pitted olives. We will begin to crush the chicken thigh fillets. I use 2 sheets of baking paper. By doing this, the chicken will be more tender to eat. And add salt. Next, I get my veggies cleaned, peeled, and chopped into small pieces. And peel the garlic. I also take the soul of the garlic. Before I start frying, I get the saffron ready by wrapping it in foil paper. So we can toast it in the pan. Now we can start cooking the chicken with a little olive oil on high flame. As soon as the water of the chicken has disappeared, we can remove the chicken and put it aside for later. Adding more olive oil, we will start frying our capsicum on high flame. We will chop our garlic and add it to the pan. Add the toasted saffron and cook it till it has a nice brown color. Add the tomato and stir. I always like to add some water when adding the tomato puree. Add salt. And let it simmer on low flame for 10 minutes. We can now add our rice and stir evenly on high flame. Start getting the chicken stock and mix in 500 grams of boiling water. Mix and pour it into the pan. Stir and make sure the rice is not in lumps. Give it a gentle stir to even out the rice. Depending on how liquid you want your rice, add 250 to 350 grams of boiling water and stir. Let it cook on medium flame. The rice will cook for 20 minutes. Add the bay leaves. And stir gently. Control your rice and make sure it doesn't dry out quick. Lower your flame if this happens. Always taste and give it gentle stirs so it doesn't stick at the bottom of the pan. Add the chicken that we put aside. And finish up by adding the olives. Let the rice rest for 5 minutes and then we are ready to serve. A squeeze of lemon juice gives it a refreshing Mediterranean summer taste. Enjoy.